Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from a new to me company called 80COLORS. They did send me this item for review, so thank you to 80COLORS. So I figure since they are a new company, I'd read out kind of the email they'd sent to me. So by way of introduction, 80COLORS is a small family business in the Netherlands, Europe, creating diamond paintings with a high number of colors, hence the company name, using images of landscapes with mountains, forests, animals, buildings, and still life arrangements. And they are trying to create more awareness for their starting business, and that's why they contacted me to show it on my channel. And I did verify with them. They told me that the images they use are royalty-free images that were cleared for personal and commercial use. And I will link their website in the description. So it came in a it came shipped from China, so they do ship from the factory. And there was an outer plastic over this. I just took it off because you don't really need to see me open that. So it does look like the drills come in these little packets. I already see a problem. I'm not sure. Here, do you see? There's squares and one random color looks like they're accidentally rounds. But I'm not going to be too concerned about that. I'll let them know, but I probably have it in my stash, I think. I just saw that. I was like, wait, why is that around? So it does look like the toolkit is a slightly elevated toolkit here, because usually I don't bother showing the toolkit if it's normal. So white tray with a blue squishy, a pen, the sparkly pen with the really big placer, the 10 placer here, and some tweezers, the nice pointy tweezers here, and a heart-shaped wax. And the drills, let's see how many colors this really is. There's no numbers, how can I tell? But oh my gosh, there is a lot of colors in this. Look at this, there's 2 sheets of paper here. And so there is an inventory sheet with this many colors here. And let's look at what I got. So the canvas reminds me of the canvas from Huacan. That's how it feels like. The softness of it, that's what it feels like. And here it is. They don't number how many colors there are, so I can't tell you how many colors there are. But I got this cat here. Cat picture with, like, I'm guessing a parent cat and a baby cat. Or kitten. There. Just doing this. I wish then the colors were numbered so I could tell you how many there are. Should I just count them? But there are a lot of colors. Look at this. Look at this. So I got this cat picture here. And let's look at the symbols. Let me move you down a little bit. So there's going to be a lot of symbols. With this many colors, it's going to be primarily symbols. This looks like it will be kind of difficult to do just because with a lot of colors, it will be very confetti heavy, but I like it when there's a lot of colors. I feel like you will get the detail that you don't get with fewer colors. So let's look at this here. So lots of colors here, all pretty much symbols. I hope it won't be difficult. Lots of symbols here. Yeah. I'm trying to think of a strategy of how to diamond paint this. And I'm thinking I might just keep it in DMC order and just go down the list. So wait, am I going to count this? Let's see. 2, 4, let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 70, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 80, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 90, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 98 colors, assuming I counted correctly. So there'll be 98 colors in this thing here. And let's look at the drills. They are supposed to be square, but I had that part where I was like, it looks like they accidentally gave me some round drills here for 829. So I'll let them know about that. So the squares are in these containers here. They do look like they look pretty decent. They do look like acrylic squares though. I don't I still think it's funny that there is one set of round drills here. So lots of colors. Let's hope they're all here. And all that. So lots of colors here. This will be a fun kitting up, which I'm actually going to do pretty much after this video. I just have to figure out what container I could use to have the 90... What did I say? I already forgot. Like 98 colors? I think that's the most colors I've ever had on any diamond painting. So 98 colors. I'll probably have to use Tic Tac containers just so that I'll have enough space for everything. And nothing looks like it has too many colors. So yeah. All right, so I'm going to actually work on this. I don't know if I'll finish it. This might take a while, but I will work on it. You'll see the kitting up before this video. I'll work on this diamond painting, and hopefully at the end of this video you'll see a finish, and if not a finish, you'll see whatever progress I have made. All right, so I will, like I said, work on this, and I'll speak to you later. All right, I'm back, and I did not finish, but I'll show you how much progress I've made. I've already worked on this for more than 20 hours, I think. It's slow going. It's a little difficult to diamond paint, but I think it looks awesome, at least when I show it to you. So this actually, if you... Of course, you're in the same video. So ignore my counting from the first part of this video. There's actually 101 colors. I did count that a couple times to make sure I didn't read it right, if I read it right. So I've diamond painted a little bit more than half of this. And FYI, I did contact them about the ones that I got for rounds, and they actually sent me the squares. I had already started on it, so I used my stash drills, but did send me the square version of 829, so I have it on the side of my drills. And I noticed that their drills are acrylic mostly, but there was like I think maybe 2 or 3 that were actually resin. Doesn't matter. They still both work. There is some gapping, and there's just a tiny bit of popping too. So, and yeah, I still need probably about 20 or more hours to finish this thing. So that's why I was like, I'm not going to finish this time at any time soon. And I've had it with me for over a month already, and I kind of didn't want to delay this unboxing. So here it is. Move you up. There. So if you watched my whip and chat from last week, it was just last week, you would have seen the same thing here. I have not diamond painted it since the whip and chat. Just because I was calculating, I was like, I'm gonna need 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, like 19 and a half more hours, probably more like 20 more hours to finish this. And yeah, like I said, it's been over a month since I've had it, and I just didn't want to delay the video. So this is the amount I finished. Doesn't it look awesome though? Look at this. Look at, there's the original image, and there's the diamond painting here. It looks great. This is one of the pluses for a computer generated 101 color diamond painting is it looks very, very similar to the original image. So yeah, look at that. Look at the eyes. I love the color of the eyes on this one. If this wasn't for the you know, me testing out 101 colors, I probably would have replaced the eyes with square rhinestones. I don't know if I would have had enough colors for the eyes and square rhinestones, but no, I left this as is. There is gapping, a little bit of gapping. You can see it there. And I've noticed in pretty much acrylic drills, they do have a tendency to pop a little too. So, but it's mostly in here. See, it hasn't come off. During the summer, it might come off, but right now, because during the summer my hands are sweaty, and then I just like go like that and I pick up drills. And I think glue is a little bit more less sticky in the summer, but for now it's like it's working out really well. And this looks, look at how awesome this looks. It's really beautiful looking here. I really like it. So yeah. So like I said, I've been enjoying this. It's been a challenge. Like if you like to challenge yourself, and there's a lot of symbols that are very similar. Like here it is kitted up. I actually left it in the same order as it was. I ended up moving my drills this direction just because it was easier to see than when they were kind of like, I had my drills usually are like there. So yeah, no, I moved my drills in this orientation just so that it was easier to see, and everything is in the same order. I mean, so this is in DMC order. So there's a lot of very similar symbols, like see these triangles here. One is filled in and one's not filled in. And there, see, these are all kind of the same. These are all the triangles, but they're all right next to each other. So there's a lot of very similar symbols, but I thought the quality of the print was pretty decent, that not being able to see it was not a reason for me to diamond paint it badly. So I give them a plus for the print on the canvas, which is massively important when you have this many colors and not many symbols. But yeah, no, like I said, I really enjoyed doing this. You will see another video when I actually finish it, but it's not going to be I still need 20 more hours, so it's not going to be in December. So I just thought I should just post this, video already, record this video and show you the progress in case you did not watch my whip and chat. And yeah, so that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to 80 Colors for sending this diamond painting. I've highly enjoyed it, and it's been a great challenge. And thank you very much for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!